DespairRepair.com. Hi everyone, and welcome to DespairRepair.com. In this video we're going to show you how to make a wiper refill replacement on the rear wiper blade on your car. We're going to do the replacement on the Skoda Fabia, but the basic principle applies to all cars. As you probably know, you can do a rear wiper blade replacement in two ways. The first way is to open a lid like this one, where you find a nut which you can unscrew and remove the whole wiper arm. Okay, because the main problem with the rear wiper blade is that when you want to buy another one, the wiper blade doesn't come separately from the rest of the wiper arm. Okay, it comes in a complete package, so to say. The problem here is that they're pretty expensive to buy. They're about 20, 30 or more euros depending on the car model, which is pretty expensive. Okay, and in my opinion there's no need to do that, since you're essentially taking a good part of the car and throwing it away and replacing it with another one. That is pretty unnecessary. Okay, what you're going to do is just change the wiper rubber here. Okay, if you've seen, we've made another video on how to change the wiper refills on the front wipers. We're going to make the same principle here. What you'll need for this replacement is, of course, a wiper refill and a pair of combined pliers. The first thing you do is raise the wiper arm. Okay, be careful when you work around the wiper arm so you don't hit it with your hand, so it doesn't fall accidentally on the glass and break it. On every wiper arm, the wiper blade is held in place by these holders here. Okay, the point of this job is just to remove the wiper blade so you can put the wiper refill inside. The wiper rubber is held in place by these metal rails on the side of the wiper blade right here, so they don't slip off the wiper arm when doing the wiping. Okay, the first thing you do is take the pliers, find what parts of the wiper blade, all depending on the car model, find what side of the wiper rubber is held in place, take the pliers and find the part and just press it inside like this. Okay, and then pull it inside like this and release it. Okay, put the pliers aside and just pull out the wiper blade together with the metal rails. The next thing you should do is take the wiper refill and measure it against the old wiper rubber, and as you see, this one is a bit longer, and cut it to the length you need. You can either use a scalpel or scissors. So once you cut the wiper refill to the proper length, it's time to put the metal rails inside. You'll find grooves on the top of the wiper refill, and you should put the metal rails inside these grooves. Okay, so as you can see, these parts are cut in the metal rails. Their purpose is to hold the wiper refill in place so it doesn't slip. That's the part where you pressed with the combined pliers. And first take one side, turn them around properly, and the other side, and just press them inside these grooves. Okay, it's a bit of a tricky job. You're gonna need some patience. Go through the whole length of the rubber, and the end result should be like this. So make sure it sits in properly and that it doesn't exceed the length of the wiper refill. Next, you should return the wiper refill into the wiper arm. Start from the top and start inserting. Okay, go through every one of these loops. Be sure the metal rails go inside together with the wiper refill and go through the bottom like this. Once, okay, that's okay, and just pull it into place. Okay, you'll hear a bit of a clicking sound. That's this part where the metal rails are cut. They go into place. Okay, and that's it. You have replaced the wiper refill. So, as you've seen, a simple procedure, very similar to replacing the wiper refills on the front wipers. For a couple of euros, you can solve your problem. I hope this video helps. You'll find a written tutorial on our website, despairrepair.com, where you can find a tutorial in more detail. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.